Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is a Thursday, 21st of March, and when I woke up this morning, I weighed myself. I was 62.65 on the scale, kilos, meaning that let's talk about the total loss since the beginning. December 30th, 2023, I was 72.9 kilos. So last Saturday when I weighed at 62.75, so under 90, that was the first time that I clocked under 10 kilos, 22 pounds, and that was in 2 months and 3 weeks. And that is amazing, all right? Because 10 kilos is not nothing. 22 pounds is amazing. Maybe you think 2 months and a half is very, very slow to lose that kind of weight. I personally did the work, walked every day or almost every day. I went to the gym 5 to 6 times a week. I meal prepped, so I know I put in the effort, and it is really appreciated to see the results today. So let's talk about yesterday. So total calories, 2,773 calories. This is a lot. And 126.2 grams of protein, which is pretty good. I walked 22,413 steps for 15.7 kilometers. Because it was a special day, a bit weird day. Anyways, I broke my fast around 9:30 at the beach with my pineapple protein shake. It was gorgeous. I then went to town and I had a coffee. I had a milk coffee, so latte, and I had to go buy something in a shop that only took card from €7. So I actually had to, my purchase was $6.75. I had to purchase something else to complete the €7. So I was looking at it on the counter, and there was this little golden wrap, and I asked what it was. She said, it's a lucky cookie. And I was like, what's a lucky cookie? There's a little message in it. I didn't think twice. Oh yeah, sure, 40 cents later. I go to the cafe, I open, it's a fortune cookie, which is like 8 calories, 10 calories, very low in calories. So I had that with my my coffee, well, with my latte. But the message was so boring for a fortune cookie. You can let go of stuff. It's okay to let go of stuff or something like that. Like, look at this message. Anyways, so I had my salad a little later. I had the same salad as Tuesday. Usually alternate, but I had 2 days in a row back to back the same salad, simply because I wanted to have the good salad today. I knew it was going to be overcast. I knew it wasn't going to be a lovely day, so I wanted to have the corn, feta cheese, olive, which is my favorite salad. White beans, love them. And so I had the same thing. But anyways, last meal was the salmon, basmati rice, and green peas. And then apparently I was a little hungry, so I had a little chocolate, had a little more chocolate, then decided to have a little nuts, almonds, cashews, sunflower seeds. Fair enough, very healthy, very high in protein, high in fat, but still high in nutrients, so I'm very happy with that. Then I fell into the little croissant. It made a comeback. I had one. I don't know why it was there, but it was there. I had one. It wasn't even that great. I think honestly, I was just and then realized I'm still hungry. So I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich again. That's simply because I didn't have anything nice to put on my toast. Like, I didn't have any salty cheese spread or like pesto. I didn't have any chocolate spread even. Love chocolate spread. No, I only had peanut butter and jam. And then, yes, fair enough, peanut butter is great. It's high in protein, kind of more high in fat than anything else. But anyways. But the point is, I don't care for peanut butter sandwiches. I really don't. They remind me of my school lunches or what school used to serve. It's not that dreamy to me, you know? So that told me, okay, I'm hungry. And honestly, I'm not just hungry at night. I am bored, because I usually eat multiple services, like have an appetizer, which is usually a soup in the winter. And then I have a meal, a main meal. Then I have dessert, I have also cheese, crackers. I have multiple things to look forward to. And in the past 3 days, I didn't have cheese, I didn't buy cheese, I didn't make soup. That's a big mistake, because I really enjoy that. So tonight, definitely will make soup. I want to make a leek potato soup. I really am craving it, and seriously, it's cold outside, so let's do that. And also you might be like, oh, that's a detail, but understand that even though I grew up in North America where we tend to have a big main meal for dinner and not necessarily multiple services, I am also from France, and in France we do have an appetizer, a main meal, cheese, a green salad, then dessert, so multiple things to look forward to. So if you're not a fan of your appetizer, for example, you have your main meal to look forward to, or you have the salad that you are going to have with maybe a bit of cheese, and so you have multiple things. That's how I like to eat at night. That's why I think lately I've been really bored. That's probably explaining the fact that I had nuts, seeds, and yesterday as well on top of the chocolate, because I'm looking for something else. So tonight, cheese and soup is making a comeback because I'm just gonna enjoy it more. Now let's talk about the fitness. First time my left foot slipped and I landed on my right knee. It was fine. The second time, the same fall, but like an hour later, but this time I opened up my knee. I cracked my knee open. It was bleeding, so I had to stop and disinfect and put a band-aid. Please don't look if you don't like to see wounds. But yeah, the only problem is I was working legs yesterday, so the knee being really sensitive and sore to opening, I had to kind of modify my leg training, and it was a good leg training, but I did like 6 sets instead of 3 to 4 sets of some machines that didn't really make it painful to extend my leg. So that was a little annoying, but this is funny because this little, that little message that I got from the fortune cookie, you can let go of something, I don't know of what, but I definitely let go yesterday. Whee! It was really sensitive, and it's still sensitive, so I'm not going to walk as much, and that's why I didn't walk back yesterday. I just came back on the scooter, very happy about that. So yeah, I'm going to be making more fun stuff to eat at night, so I don't just, because basically what I did in the past 2 nights is fill the gap that those other dishes were supposed to fill, which is fun. Nighttime is time to have a nice meal, multiple things to look forward to. And so after I finished my main meal, which by the way was really good, I still was craving something else, entertainment. And yeah, in France we do entertain ourselves at night with multiple meals, multiple service, multiple dishes, multiple variety. I want variety back in my life. So definitely tonight, I still have a prep today, but I will make a soup and leek and potato. Yeah, definitely. And some cheese. So it should be a better day tonight, even though I have a dodgy knee. Anyways, all that to say, I'm 10 kilo down. I'm doing great. I'm happy. I am feeling so much better. I want to celebrate that win, and I hope you do too. I hope if you've seen it, looking back, you've seen big difference on your body, you feel more energetic through your workouts. I hope you celebrate that. Even if I didn't reach my goal weight of 59 kilos, which is 3.65 kilos away. Honestly, I don't care, and it's not even the end of March. I'm okay, I did good. The goal is just a number to work towards, but my body has changed a lot, and I feel really good and really happy. So all that to say, I'll see you tomorrow for the feedback on today, and I hope you're having a fabulous day. Bye.